UAE Corporate Tax is no longer just about knowing the law, it's about applying it correctly. As regulations evolve, businesses face complex structures, assessments, and strict FTA expectations. Basic knowledge is no longer enough. Today's tax and finance professionals must handle real-world corporate tax challenges. Advanced training focuses on practical application, not theory. This includes permanent establishment, POEM and tax residency, related party and transfer pricing, free zone and exempt income, managerial remuneration and FTA assessments and audits. It reduces compliance risk, avoids penalties, and empowers professionals to advise with confidence. UAE Corporate Tax Advanced Training is no longer optional. It's a professional necessity. Register now for our 30-hour 4-days in-person workshop, starting from 31st January at Park Regis Kris Hotel. For more information, contact us. Check caption for details. Stay compliant, stay confident, stay ahead.